this is an introduction to a new kid on the block, a very visual, very personal workflow automation tool for multiple platforms. It's called PFKaplr. I know the name is almost unpronounceable, but it's on the screen. Look it up on GitHub. So in case it wasn't clear what it is, it's a desktop tool. You start it locally, and it gives you this wonderful drag and drop interface for automating your workflows. Initial focus is on making web development on Windows absolutely sweet. So the normal workflows, like let's watch a certain path for a change. So we will be watching a folder called work for change, and we can have, let's see, a little tiny delay of 1 second built in, and let's run a command following that delay. In your world, it would be a compiler or a build tool. In our case, it will be us saying yeah to the command line, and we also can notify the browser that a certain change had occurred. Now notice that we are using this notification change comes to us courtesy of a built-in LiveReload server, and this tool would not be absolutely sweet if you would, on Windows, if you would not have a native LiveReload notification extension for IE. So yes, now we have IE LiveReload extension for IE versions 8 through 10 are tested. It's possible earlier versions work. Version 10 works with almost any LiveReload server, but for earlier versions you do have to get this server because it supplies extra pieces needed to drive earlier versions of IE. Now that you have seen how it's easy to assemble the workflow that hinges on certain events like a change to a path. Now let's see how it actually works in the wild. Alright, let's close this for a second and start a new. So we have a local server, local page running some web page, and let's have this as the source, and let's give an official green light to an absolutely sweet web development in Windows. Goal!